Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Asis, and today's topic we have group by. Group by is a very important topic we have been using almost in all the SQL procedures, and there are so many things from the group by. Mostly group by is used for when we have a select clause, and group by we use it. Okay, so one by one I will explain group by. So let's flip to our documentation of Microsoft. So first we'll go to Microsoft documentation, and that is this. So in this documentation, if you see, a select statement calls that divides the query result into group of rows, usually for a purpose or performing one or more aggregation on each group, and the select statement return one row per group. Okay, if you don't understand the meaning of this, let's flip over to our SSMS, and this is our employee. Okay, now if you have watched my last video, we were using the count and sum and everything for the this table. So we were getting all the count and all everything for all the table. Now suppose you want to count how many jobs for the particular job, how many people are there, how many employees are working for that. So just simply we need to write it here. I want job, select job. I want, because I want job, and then I want to count the people, how many people are working for it. So just I will write it count and group by job, because I want result by a job. So just run it and see. You can see that admin, there are two admin, one CEO, two engineers, three managers, salesperson, and tech. There are two tech people. And now if you want to see what is the salary they are withdrawing, so just say sum of salary, and yeah, because I'm grouping by job, so it will just sum by the salary of the each person, and it will show you the data. Okay, now this group by you can you have to use after where clause. Okay, before where clause you cannot use it. So you need to, if you write at where, uh, simply like employee name, like if you go and see it, I want people whose name start with A. Okay, and then just one person, and he is engineer, he is withdrawing 34. So it is just an example. So where clause you need to use before group by, and after group by you need to use order by. Okay, just to show you, I will just comment out this and then job. Okay, one more thing, order by will work if you are using group by. You can use only that particular column in the group by, order by, where you are using group by. If you use other column, it won't work. Okay, see, admin, CEO, engineer, manager, sales, and tech, everything is in order. And if you use other any column, that won't work. Okay, see, it is saying it is containing aggregation function. Without aggregation function also we can use it, no problem. It will give you the distinct record. Okay, yeah, this one. And whatever the column you are using in select, and if you are using any aggregation for that particular column, you need to use that column in your group by. Suppose you are using department, so if I just go with the department and group by job, right? So it won't work. It will tell you that department is invalid because it does not contain in the group by. Okay, so what you can do, simply, and then it will work. Okay, now you want to see how many employees. But one more thing, see, if you join both the table, it will tell you the name also. I have not joined it because this is a class for group by. It is grouping based on job and department, so that's why you might be getting two values for e. It is not making the distinct because the combination of job and department both are being distinct here. Okay, so there are manager and engineer, and manager both have department 2, and there are two engineer and one manager. One manager is from department 3, and there are one person, sales, admin, CEO, manager, tech. Okay, so this is how it works. If you remove this job from both the places, the result will aggregate based on the department. Okay, now see, there are three departments. In the second department, three people. Third department, three people. Fourth department, six people. So this is how group by works, and you can use this group by to make a distinct values. You just need to remove this aggregation function or any aggregation function. Okay, you need to use this when you want to produce any aggregation based on this values. Sum of salary you want to use. Okay, that's how it works. So you can use like this group by. Okay, so if you have understood, please write into in comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.